Until you hit the stop button. Hero.
Oh, hello there.
Oh, hero.
Hello. I
Can't get a good one. This is what we do when Xinyi has to pack her things.
And she doesn't want to.
We have so much to go yet. What if it's raining outside? What if? These are the big questions.
This is what you should be pondering when you go to bed tonight.
What if it's raining? Just push it more. Okay. And then you say, Pudgy bears like honey. And then you lick your lips. Your turn.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you show me again?
You say, Pudgy bears like honey. And then you lick your lips for effect. Like that.
You know, I'm not sure if I quite got that.
Shut up, I know it's a joke. She's taking advantage of the situation.
I never take advantage of the situation.
Take advantage of how stupid I am. Do it, Xinyi. I did it twice. Maybe even 3 times. I lost count. Squish your face more. You need more pudge.
I can't. My cheeks are attached to my cheekbone. They don't move that far.
I got mine on. It's really hard to say anything unaccented like this. Yeah, okay. Ready? Now you say. Pudgy bears like honey.
Pudgy bears like honey.
You're like a baby, Pudgy bear. Be a mama. Be a mama. Okay. Pudgy bears like honey. It's not that hard, Xinyi. It's not that hard. You just squish your face a lot. Oh, I'm so disappointed in you.